How to fix long video not showing on Facebook. Problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix this. So guys, if you're trying to watch long videos on Facebook and it is not showing here, then this video is absolutely for you. It is only showing in reels. So to get the long videos, what you need to do here, I'm going to show you in this video. So watch the video till the end. So now open Facebook, click on the 3 days on the top right corner, and then this type of interface will be pop up. So here on the top you can see the setting gear icon. Simply click on it and then this type of interface will be pop up. Okay, so here what you need to do, scroll down and then here you will get one option that is tab bar. Simply click on it and then here on the top you can see customize the bar option. Simply click on it and then here you'll get to see one option that is video option. So guys, what you need to do here is that, so now here you can see it is already set in auto, so you have to click on this video auto option and then here you can see on the bottom, click on hide. You have to hide this. Okay, now what you need to do, just go back and refresh your Facebook. Okay, let me just show refresh it. Just refresh the Facebook app, go to the app and then here on the search bar on the top, just click on the search bar and here you have to write videos. Okay, hold on. Now here you have to search for it and then on the top you can see the video option. Sorry, you can see the video option. Just click here and then you will be able to watch the videos. Okay, so what you need to do, just go to search bar, search on, click on videos and here you can see you'll get all the long videos now. So I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.